everybody. Welcome to EduIgnite's learning series. In this video, we discuss business growth analytical tool, Ansoff Matrix. Business organizations work in a highly dynamic business environment. Success is guaranteed only to those business organizations which find new ways to increase profit and reach new customers. There are numerous options available, such as developing new products or opening up new markets, but how do you know which one will work best for your organization? This is where you can use an approach like the Ansoff Matrix to think about the potential risks of each option and to help you devise the most suitable plan for your organization. The Ansoff Matrix is a strategic planning tool that provides a framework to help business managers devise strategies for future growth. As part of a larger strategic planning initiative, an Ansoff Matrix is a communication tool which helps you see the possible growth strategies for your organization. This matrix shows 4 different market growth strategies: 1. Market penetration. 2. Market development. 3. Product development, and 4. Diversification. Market penetration is a low-risk growth strategy as businesses focus on existing products in existing markets. This can be achieved by altering the elements of marketing mix. Business may redesign the product, offer competitive prices, better promotional offers, customer loyalty schemes, and so on. Next strategy is market development. This is a medium-risk growth strategy that involves selling existing products in new markets. Means established products is marketed to a new set of customers. This can be achieved by selling the existing products to a new set of customers or enter new segment. Product development. This is a medium-risk growth strategy that involves selling new products in existing markets. For example, car manufacturers introduce new models and occasionally new editions of their product. Diversification. This is a high-risk growth strategy that involves selling new products in new markets. A key driving force for diversification is to spread risks by having a well-balanced product portfolio. Diversification is also suitable for firms that have reached saturation and are seeking new opportunities for growth. To summarize, the Ansoff Matrix offers 4 growth strategies: 1. Market penetration. 2. Market development. 3. Product development, and 4. Diversification. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you. Happy learning.